Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn how to read and write Tem in a few minutes. So let's start. First of all, we have Tem, consonants and vowels. We have number one, let's start with Tem sounds in general. In Tem we have 34 sounds, and we have vowels and consonants. Talking about sounds in general, we have, let's pronounce them as the way they are pronounced in Tem. We have A, B, J, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, O, P, R, S, T, U, F, W, Y, Z, P, B, M, N. So this is the way Tem sounds are pronounced. Now let's see Tem sounds which exist in French or English, but they are pronounced differently. We have this. This is the first one. In French, it's pronounced C, and in English, it is C. Whereas in Tem, it is J. This one in Tem, it is A. Whereas in English, it is E. And in French, I can say that it is A. This one is U in Tem. This one is J in Tem. And this letter, this sound remains G everywhere in Tem. It is pronounced G in Tem. Example. For example, this one, Ch. We can find it in the word chokoto. This one we do not say kokoto, no. Chokoto, which means knicker or trouser. Chokoto in Tem is a generic term. We have the second one which is J. For example, where J, he cuts, like the past tense, he cuts. Where J, where we can use where as being he or she. So where J means she cut or he cut. And this is the sounds we have to master how to pronounce, like J. This one, as I have said, it is U. We can find it in the word two. Two is an elephant in Tem. Elephant two. So this is U, not U or U in French, but it is U, two in two. Like this one is high tone, so pronounce two, not two, but two. And this one is A, like we can find it in the word we ni, like high tone. So it means woo or womb. Now we will see how we will see the words or the sounds which do not exist in French nor in English, but only Tem sounds. Let's start. We have this one is pronounced E, and we can find it in the word where de, were there, which means in English he finished, he or she finished. And we have this one is in. Kone. Kone. If I say kone in Tem, it means come. Kone. So this is not E or I, but it is in. It's pronounced from here. In. And then we have this one which is O. O. We can find it in the word bole. 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 Which means like football. Ball. Ball. It is a borrowed word from English. Yes. And this one is tung. And you can find it in the word tung. Tung. It is bees. Bees. So the plural form bee. Then the plural form is bees. You can find it in this word tung. Now let's talk about consonants. We have the first one, which is the. Now these consonants are only Tem consonants, so we cannot find them in French or English. We have the. This one is the, and then we can find it in the word de, re, which means horse. And then we have this one, which is n, and then we can find it in the word kodonga, like laughing. No, kodonga. In English it means to laughing. And then we have this one, which is p. We can find it in the word like this is the one, pena, furniture or luggage or goods. It depends. And then it is the combination of k and p, k and p. Donc this combination, both of them are considered as being one sound. And we have this one, this sound also, which is b, and it can be found in the word where he or she went back home. He or she went back home. So this is b. And now we have n. No, the combination of n and y. Donc it is n in Tem. In the word, you can find it in the word nyen de. You are going. And you have this one is m. This one I have said nya. Nyen de, which is something which is going on. You are going. And this one is m, and it can be found in the word ma de. So that's all for this first.
What does mad mean?
It can be found in the word ma de, which means writing. So this is all for today, and for more detail you have to see the book of Robert de Craem and Jagra Sol Ngogu. Thank you very much.